Do you know why some people seem to build lasting wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? What's the secret behind their success? It's not about lucky breaks or winning the lottery. Building long-term wealth starts with consistent financial habits. And the best part? You don't need a huge salary or risky investments to make it happen. In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 financial habits that, when practiced regularly, will lead you to long-term wealth. These habits are simple but incredibly powerful, and with the right mindset, they can completely change the way you approach your finances. Ready to stop worrying about money and start building your future? Let's dive right in. 1. Live below your means. The first habit that can help you build wealth over time is to live below your means. It doesn't matter how much money you make. Spending less than you earn is a foundation of financial stability. Too many people live paycheck to paycheck, constantly stretching their budget. But with the right approach, you can avoid that stress. Start by tracking your expenses. Take a moment to ask yourself, do I really need that daily coffee from the cafe? Or could I brew my own at home? Cutting back on small, unnecessary purchases might feel insignificant at first, but over time, it adds up. Living below your means doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself. It means being intentional with your spending and saving. This is the key to financial freedom. The money you save today can go toward investments, helping you grow your wealth over time. So, start small, track your spending, and focus on building savings. Before you know it, you'll have a growing fund that supports your financial future. 2. Create and stick to a budget. If you're serious about building wealth, creating and sticking to a budget is one of the most powerful tools you have. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about gaining control over your finances. With a clear budget, you can prioritize where your money goes, ensuring you make room for savings and investments. Start by listing all your income and expenses. You can do this manually or use budgeting apps to make things easier. Once you have an overview of where your money is going, allocate portions for necessities, savings, and fun. A realistic budget gives you clarity and helps prevent impulse spending. The most important part is consistency. If you follow your budget every month, you'll find yourself saving more money and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Over time, sticking to a budget will help you avoid debt and put you on track toward building wealth. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Make sure to review your budget regularly, adjust when needed, and keep moving forward. 3. Save regularly and automate your savings. One of the best ways to build wealth effortlessly is by saving regularly and automating your savings. We all know saving is important, but let's face it, if you wait until the end of the month to save, chances are you'll spend most of it. The key is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account as soon as you get paid, whether it's $50 or $100 a month. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures that you save before you have a chance to spend. The beauty of this method is that it's effortless and makes saving a consistent habit. Even small amounts grow over time, thanks to compound interest. Over the years, these small, automatic contributions will add up to significant wealth. Having specific savings goals, like for retirement or an emergency fund, can keep you motivated to stick to your plan. As you see your savings grow, you'll become more committed to the habit, leading to steady progress on your wealth-building journey. 4. Invest early and regularly. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful financial habits, investing. The earlier you start, the more your money has the chance to compound. Investing isn't just about stock market risks. It's about consistency and giving your money time to grow. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month for investments, even if it's just a small amount. The key is to invest regularly, regardless of market conditions. Over time, you can increase your contributions as your wealth grows. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts like 401k or IRAs, investing early gives you the advantage of compound returns. The most important thing is patience. Don't panic during market downturns. Investing is a long-term game. When you make regular contributions, you give your money the time it needs to grow, even if the returns aren't immediate. By sticking with it, you'll build a solid foundation for long-term wealth. 5. Focus on paying off high-interest debt. One of the biggest obstacles to building wealth is high-interest debt, especially credit card debt. The interest you pay on debt is money that could be working for you in savings or investments. That's why it's crucial to pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Start by tackling your highest interest debt first. This is called the debt avalanche method. It minimizes the amount of interest you pay over time and helps you get out of debt faster. Alternatively, you could use the debt snowball method, which focuses on paying off the smallest debt first. While this might take longer, it can help you build momentum and stay motivated. Once your high-interest debts are gone, you'll have more money to allocate to savings and investments, allowing you to build wealth more effectively. The goal is not just to pay off debt, but to do it in a way that maximizes your financial growth. 6. Keep learning and improving your financial knowledge. Building wealth isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about financial education. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions that will accelerate your wealth-building journey. Take time to read personal finance books, listen to finance podcasts, or follow money blogs. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your finances. Financial education isn't just about learning one-time tips. It's a lifelong habit that pays off again and again. Even if you learn just one new tip a month, that knowledge can lead to huge financial gains over time. By improving your financial literacy, you'll also become more aware of investment opportunities, tax strategies, and other wealth-building techniques that will benefit you in the long run. 7. Diversify your investments. Diversification is another key to reducing risk and building wealth over time. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, it's important to spread your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and even international markets. Diversification protects you from market volatility. When one asset is down, others might be up, which helps balance out your overall returns. It also ensures that your wealth grows steadily over time, even during uncertain economic conditions. Additionally, consider diversifying geographically by investing in international markets. This provides a hedge against fluctuations in domestic markets and offers greater opportunities for growth. 8. Be patient and stay consistent. Lastly, one of the most important habits for building wealth is to be patient and stay consistent. The truth is, wealth isn't built overnight. It's easy to get frustrated when progress feels slow or when it seems like things aren't moving in the right direction. However, building long-term wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires persistence. Consistency is the key to wealth building. Small, intentional actions, like regularly saving, investing, and paying down debt, add up over time. It might seem like a slow process, but when you look back after months or even years, you'll be amazed by how far you've come. There will always be obstacles, whether it's short-term setbacks, market downturns, or unforeseen expenses. But don't let these temporary hurdles discourage you. Stay focused on your long-term goals, and remember that success doesn't happen instantly. It's about sticking to your plan and continuing to make those small, positive financial choices. The power of compound growth is a game changer. Over time, those seemingly small actions will compound into significant results. So, remain patient, stay committed, and trust that your hard work will pay off in the end. There you have it. 8 powerful financial habits that can lead to long-term wealth. These habits aren't about quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. They're about making intentional and consistent decisions that compound over time. If you start practicing these habits today, you'll set yourself up for financial security and freedom in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial tips that can help you achieve your wealth-building goals. Let me know in the comments which financial habit you're going to implement first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.